Batbox. Producing renewable energy while protecting a species.
By Ilya.
Bodhi.
Winston.
And Oscar.
Bats are a crucial part of our ecosystem, and without them, the quality of our lives would plummet. They have one of the most important ecological roles on our planet, pollinating and dispersing the seeds of hundreds of essential species of plants. With our innovation, hundreds of thousands of these important creatures could be saved every year.
The problem. Because of the worsening issue in climate change, renewable energy sources are more popular than ever, and in the recent years, wind energy in particular has spiked in use. And while the wind turbines are a strong sustainable energy alternate, what's the cost that comes with them? Well, each year, over 1 million bats are killed by wind turbines in North America alone. Bats are naturally attracted to wind turbines because they are the tallest structures along their migration routes, but if a bat flies too close to a turbine, the intense drop in air pressure could damage its lungs. We must encourage use of wind turbines, while we also ensure that the bats aren't killed in the process.
To solve this problem, we have designed the Batbox. Our solution is to prevent bats from flying too close to wind turbines, ensuring the protection from the blades of the turbine and the drop in air pressure that occurs near the turbine. Our device temporarily blinds the bats by interfering with their echolocation. This device is an ultrasonic boombox that we call the Batbox. It emits continuous high-frequency sounds from 20 to 50 kHz, deterring bats from flying near wind turbines. This effect is only temporary and doesn't harm the bats in any way. Our design is shown on the right.
Design and implementation. Our design is made up of 6 ultrasonic speakers, each one emitting a slightly different frequency, deterring different bat subspecies because each subspecies' echolocation is different. The method by which the boomboxes are attached to the turbine is fundamental to their long-term performance and reliability. Different mounting setups will offer different levels of ultrasonic coverage around the tower and blades. Research shows that most bats approach turbines from the leeward side. Wind turbines are made to pivot to face the wind at all times, so we have determined that the optimal placement for the Batbox would be on top of the nacelle, facing straight towards the wind. This placement would maximize the effectiveness of the Batbox.
Statistics. Multiple studies have been conducted with similar models yielding excellent results. On wind turbines with similar bat deterrent technology, only 3 to 13 bats flew near wind turbines compared to the 86 to 99 that flew near the regular wind turbine. In the same study, turbines with the bat deterrent device killed 64% fewer bats. This could save up to 640,000 bats every year.
This graph shows how many bats pass closely to wind turbines with and without the bat deterrent on, control being without and treatment with. As you can see, there were far more near passes to the wind turbines without the acoustic deterrent on. This next graph compares confirmed and possible collisions of the bats on wind turbines with and without the technology. More than double the bats collided with the wind turbine when the deterrent was off compared to when it was on.
Target market. The target market for our product is companies that either invest in wind energy, produce wind energy, or operate wind farms. This includes companies such as GE Renewable Energy, Vestas, and Siemens Energy. And with far fewer deaths due to wind turbines, the overall reputation of the energy source will go up. More companies will choose to transition to wind power, knowing that it's less harmful to the environment.
Competitors. Energy Systems is the major competitor in our field. Energy Systems also produces bat deterrent systems with the similar concept of using acoustic deterrent technology. However, our design is more efficient than NRG's, deterring many subspecies of bats with our multi-frequency design. And while the production cost for one Energy System device is $20,000, we estimate that ours would only be around $10,000. Our product is far more cost-effective with a more practical design and business structure.
Future ventures. We are interested in continuing to enhance green energy in a way where it can be safely used with a minimal impact on the surrounding ecosystems. With more and more companies transitioning to these types of energy sources, it is important to us that the negative impacts on wildlife is minimized. One future project that we would be interested in is to protect the fish population from the ecological impact that dams have on them. Additionally, we would like to continue to improve the Batbox by implementing more speakers that emit different frequencies for the maximum deterrence of bats.
The ask. To fund the production of Batbox, we would need a total of around 300,000 Canadian dollars. This money would go towards designing a professional website and the manufacturing of the actual product. Though our foundation is a non-profit organization, we would need this money to manufacture, ship, and install these systems. We estimate the price to produce an ultrasonic boombox to be around 10,000 Canadian dollars. However, we'd be selling each system to wind farms for up to 20,000 Canadian dollars. The initial funding would greatly help to kickstart this project so that we'd have enough money to hire employees and manufacture a substantial amount of boomboxes to build a strong reputation.
This is our website, batbox.ca. This is the homepage. This page has a description of our cause. And this page is the donation page. On this page, you can donate $1 through $50. You can also donate a custom amount from $1 and up. The collected money would go towards the production cost of the Batbox.
If you choose to donate over $10, you will receive a gift in the mail. For $10, you'll get a certificate of appreciation. For $20, you'll get a bat plush. And for $50, you'll get a battery-operated wind turbine toy. This collected money will go towards funding for the manufacturing of the bat box and expanding our company.
These gifts would also incentivize users to donate to our company, further funding the Batbox.
The last page on our website is the About Us page, where you can learn a thing about the creators of Batbox.
Thank you for listening to our presentation. We hope you enjoyed.